let's install these. Hello beautiful people, we are going to install these BMW shadow lights. This is the box here, made in China, and this was inside. So these are the lights. DC 12 volt, and then these are the connectors. Here we can connect this, should be simple. It's like this. Here you go. Yeah, both are good. We'll go outside and install these. We just need a flathead screwdriver. So this is the driver side, and you can see this is the original light, and here in the light you see there's no notch on this side, but if you go on this side there's a little notch here. So this is where we are going to open it. We just need a flathead screwdriver. Just pry it open, and that's it. Now we just unplug it. I'll use my two hands. So this just popped out. You can see it, pretty simple, no fancy thing. Now I will replace with original one. These are the male connectors. I will connect with here. Okay, I just connected it, and I can see the light is here. We'll see in the dark. We'll come back and let's see how it performs. And now I will just put it back, everything inside this. That's it, pretty simple. Now I'll do the other side. Okay, now this is the passenger side. I'll repeat again. This side, pry open, and now I'll remove it and replace it. I've attached the new BMW logo one, and here you can see it is shining. There's no clip here, it just plug and play. There's nothing fancy here. I'll put it back. Pretty simple, that's it. Let's see how it looks like at night time. Look at that, that is beautiful. It's very sharp. Best investment ever.